Okay, let's solve for x here. Solution. And we are given e raised to 3x minus 4 equals to 2. Now, when you are given ln of e, the answer is 1. Don't forget this property. So we have e raising this. So how do we, perform this equation? How do we solve it? Okay, so the magic here is we have to, multiply both sides by the ln so that this side go. So we can say ln of e raised to that equals ln of 2. So don't forget that this one is a power rule. That will be 3x minus 4 times ln of e equals ln of 2. Remember the property here. So this side will go to 1. That will be 3x minus 4 equals ln of 2. So we have 3x, then we send the 4 to the other side. 3x equals to ln of 2 plus 4. Yeah. So the next step will be dividing both sides by 3. That will be ln of 2 plus 4 on 3 as the answer. Okay.